Hurricane Delta, it can be overwhelming dealing with the cleanup process and then trying to figure out how to move forward.
If you have damage, part of the undertaking is dealing with your insurance company to help repair your home. Chris Welty is getting answers about the claims process. Chris.
So many people we talked with say they had no idea they would have to pay more money towards their insurance deductibles following a named storm, but the insurance experts say it's important to review your policies yearly.
It's just a very, very stressful time.
A Lafayette resident who did not want to go on camera says she's not looking forward to filing an insurance claim after a tree fell on her home and part of her fence came down during Hurricane Delta.
I went from thinking a $2,000 deductible to a $4,400 deductible. It was quite a shock. Let us know ahead of time, explain it to us how it's going to work. And that way we won't be shell-shocked when we do have a claim.
Dwight Andrus, president of Dwight Andrus Insurance, says it's important to review your policy yearly and ask your agent questions. He says following Hurricanes Katrina and Rita, because of the cost of damage, it's common for policies to have separate deductibles, either a wind and hail, named storm, or a hurricane deductible. Usually the separate deductible is a percentage of the property value that is insured.
Talk to your insurance agent about buying that deductible down to either a 1% or even what we call a flat deductible in certain cases. And what I mean by flat is it's just even between the all other peril deductible and that separate deductible. It's all the same, a flat dollar figure.
Andrus says it's important to take pictures of damage, document the date and time of the loss, and keep track of any expenses. He also advises before an adjuster comes out, try to protect your property with tarps to prevent further damage.
Policies, you have a clause called preservation of property. So the insurance carrier, in the event of a loss, wants you, the policy holder, to take whatever steps necessary that you can safely to protect that property, to preserve it, to protect them from any further loss. Because the carrier is going to be looking out for your interests and theirs, which are aligned, and they don't want that house or that building to be damaged even further.
We also asked what happens if you file a claim with your insurance company, but you can't afford your deductible or to get your home fixed. We're told that you have a certain window to make repairs, and if you don't, your insurance company could give you notice and potentially drop you. In Lafayette, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.
Also, according to the Louisiana Department of Insurance, if a policyholder has already filed a claim for hurricane damage during the 2020 season and met their named storm deductible, they will not have to pay that named storm deductible again if their home sustains damage from another storm.